Hello, Victor.
Hello?
What would you like?
What?
Would you like an omelette?
No.
Would you like a steak?
No.
Would you like a hot dog?
No.
What would you like?
Water. Water. Is there water in the desert?
Not much, Victor.
How much? How much water?
Very little. There are a few palm trees, a few rocks, a few skeletons. There is a lot of sand, but very little water.
Very little water. Very little water. Look! Water! A lot of water. A lot of palm trees. A lot of people and camels.
No, Victor. That's not a real oasis. That's a mirage.
Please. Water. A glass of water.
Is it urgent, Victor?
Yes.
All right, Victor. There is a real oasis in a few kilometers.
How many? How many kilometers?
A few. 20 or 30 kilometers. Miss, another beer, please.